Oh look, I think I have something. Ah, look what we have here. A new parcel. Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome to the vlog. Today I have two parcels that I just received from, I'm not sure exactly actually, but I think they're from eBay. So I'm going to unbox them, and I hope that you guys are able to go through this experience with me. I honestly do not know what these parcels are. See what's in this box here. I'm not quite sure what's in this box, to be honest. It says made in China. What could I have ordered that comes in a small box like this? Let's see. Oh, well, this is awesome. I didn't expect this anytime soon. Guess what, guys? This is a motorized dolly. So it's motorized and it comes with a remote. And I think with this remote you can increase the speed. I think it's on, off, stop, sort of. And you can also change directions with this remote as well. This comes with it, and it attaches right down here. Actually no, it's the other way around. This way, over here like that. And then your camera will basically mount on top of it. It has an on and off switch on this. It can be charged with a USB cable right there. And this is an awesome thing that I bought. Is how do you pronounce this? The Undoer. And the reason why I bought this is to use this for my video work, right? For my reviews and stuff. So that is awesome. I wasn't expecting this to come so quickly. It comes with this extra rubber accessory. I guess that goes on top of the wheel to provide some friction right there. To be honest, I have no idea what's in this box either. Oh my gosh. Shredded paper. Not a good idea to put this as packaging. I mean, it works, but it also makes a huge mess. So I have to be careful not to basically give myself a whole bunch of work just from this shredded paper. This is terrible. This packaging is bad. Whoever's idea this was. I know it works, it's effective, but I mean, this to me, look, this is practically loaded with shredded paper, guys. If you're selling on eBay or anywhere, please don't do this. Don't do this. This is terrible. Now I have to deal with this guy's garbage. Guys, don't do this. This is not a good idea. I mean, it's effective, but for crying out loud. So here, let me just gently pull out this package. I know it's a camera. I just don't know which camera, because I've ordered a couple cameras in recent past. Overall, it's extremely well packaged. I guess this guy went a bit overboard with the packaging. It's a bit messy, but I'm glad that it's safe. This is safe, and that makes me happy. So here we go. Take a look. What is this? I have no idea. still have no idea. I know I purchased them, but it's been a while, I guess. Oh my gosh. This is the Nikon. Well, that came extremely fast. So remember guys, this was the Nikon that I bid on. 8, 7, 6, 5. Confirm. Did I win? Yeah, I won! So this is the camera that I bid on here. Let me spin it around a bit so you guys can see it. It looks pretty nice. So this is the one that came in with the estate sale, and this is my first Nikon SLR. Oh, look at the lens. The lens, bring it closely so you can see. The lens looks pretty good. That is impressive. Let's see. Let me test the lens, because like I said in my video for the bidding, anything could happen, because this seller said, oh, I'm not familiar with film cameras, I have no idea whether it works or not. So it was a risk that I took. I think this one sold for $66 or so, 67 I think. First impressions, the lens, the dials are very clicky, a little bit more sturdy than most of the Canons that I have. Oh look, it just fell off. I wonder if that's a defect. Oh, it wasn't put on properly. I was kind of worried. Oh, something is wrong with this thing. It doesn't quite... Oh, I know what's wrong with it. This guy did not put it on properly. That's what's wrong with it. Yeah, that's better. Now you hear the click. This there's a little metal over here that actually regulates the changes when you move the dial, and that was not put on properly, basically. So it looks pretty good so far. I'm going to test the shutter. Hopefully it fires. Okay, that's a good sign. It fires. Let's see. Okay, you notice the difference in the timing. It could be because there's a sensor, a light meter. Oh look, it's on the auto setting, and because of that, that's what's happening. If I move this to the M90, I think that's a manual setting. I'm not familiar with this camera, but I think that would be the manual setting. Oh, this camera is interesting. Yeah, the shutter does fire. Now I'm going to take a look to make sure that it actually opens up when it fires. Yeah, it does open. If you let's take a closer look. I hope that you guys can actually see it. Let me reflect some light on it and see. Yeah, you can see that little flash there. That means the shutter actually opens. So it looks like this camera works, at least just from my preliminary analysis of it. And so it's beautiful. It looks exactly how I thought it would look, probably even better than I thought it would look. And this is quite amazing. I really like this. So look what we have here. I have my beautiful new, well, used but new to me, Nikon EM camera. It looks like it's working well. What I notice obviously is some differences with my Canon, and I'm going to do a full review of this camera once I'm able to test it and shoot with it and really identify some of the features and learn to appreciate them, hopefully. But I'm happy with it. It looks really nice. It is solid. It almost feels soft to the touch. I don't know why. I think it's the fake leather. I think this is fake leather that's on this. It feels soft to touch compared to my other cameras. It almost feels, the lens feels a bit, not quite, I don't think it's quite, I think it's a combination of metal and plastics on the dials are obviously plastic, I think, and rubber, some form of rubber on it. So it's a little softer than usual. But it's beautiful. It's a beautiful camera. Wow. So at this point, I'm going to show some sweet shots that I'm going to take with this new dolly and with my slider as well. Enjoy.